Hey friends, welcome back to Nessa's Best. Let's get started on our new project. So I'm going to start off with a little bucket of simple green and water and clean these up. They were pretty bad. They've been sitting in my garage for a few weeks, and so they got dusty from doing the other projects I've been doing, like the desk in the back. Now I'm just going to wipe everything down with a clean cloth with water and get all that simple green. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Bondo wood filler. I'm going to mix it together and fill in the little pieces on there that I don't want to show. I want it all to be the same on four sides. So I'll insert a picture right here so you can see what I'm talking about. I will say this Bondo smells absolutely horrible, and it smelled up my entire garage. So just be in a very ventilated area when you use this stuff. Originally, I was going to stain both the top and the bottom down there, but it got way too tricky to try and tape off and do things, so I did just go ahead and paint down there. But here I am taking the time to sand down there before I figured that out. As you can tell, it's already so much work to get the top taped off so that I can stain the top and then paint the rest of it. And for that bottom shelf, I just could not get it to look right to where it would work out. So I did unfortunately paint it. I think it would have been a cool look that way, but sometimes you just have to go with what you're able to do. I can honestly say the prep work is my least favorite. I don't like cleaning. I don't like taping off. I'm not like a meticulous person who enjoys these things. I know that it's necessary, but I do not enjoy. If anybody has any good tips or tricks to make this process go faster, please let me know. I'm loving the Bear chalk paint. It's actually, you can get it any color you want at Home Depot. You just get the white paint and they can make it whatever color you want. So I am loving that. It is very thick, so I did put a little bit of water in it to try and thin it out and get it the right consistency for my sprayer. I am very new to spraying, and I have always hand painted, and it is definitely a learning curve. Once I think I get it down, I think it's going to be amazingly quick and easy for me, but I am still learning. If you have any tips or tricks to make it easier to troubleshoot, please leave them in the comments. I am Not always struggling, but sometimes with this painter. So please leave me some helpful comments. Like I said, I'm new to it, so I do have to do some touch up here and get in some of the nooks and crannies. I also learned a very valuable lesson about using primer and the necessity for it. Is that the right word? And I was getting a lot of bleed through, so I had to touch up those areas. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And here's a little video I made for TikTok for a before and after. So enjoy. I'll see you next time.